everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce a software tool that can automatically comment in potential Facebook groups. With this feature, you can comment in groups in bulk, or comment based on specific keywords. In this demo, I'll be running the bulk comment function on Facebook groups. First, I'll select the content. This content was prepared in advance, and if you want to learn how to create it, you can watch my previous video where I explained. It's step-by-step. Next is the comment configuration section. Here, you can choose different comment sources, such as groups that you have already joined, competitor customer profiles, Facebook Reels, or a custom list of groups that you provided. Below that, you have two options. You can comment sequentially on all the groups you've joined or comment only on selected groups. You can also set limits, such as how many groups each account will comment on, how many comments per group, whether to comment on the newest posts or only comment on posts that contain specific keywords. After completing the setup, simply select your accounts and click Start. The software runs in the background, so you don't need to worry about your computer performance. You can continue working on other tasks while the software runs automatically. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.